That, you see how much it's evaporated because it was way out here.
Oh my
But
goodness.
it comes to that, and you can see the water in the glass, so it looks like an aquarium.
See this here? There's water in there. All we need is a little fish.
And then all the water that's wet on the baseboard and everything.
Oh,
And then we have, like I said, we have a pool of water on the floor. Every window.
There's water on the floor here, too.
Oh.
Where is this coming from?
Oh, I don't know. That's new. That wasn't there yesterday.
No. But nothing's wet up there.
I don't know. See, that one's cracked. This one's busted.
Here's a wet spot
Oh,
there.
we got a wet box.
Oh, this is damp. Here, this is damp. It
Well,
must
that's
be
coming in front of the windows. Oh, this is the Whistler. See, look. See how much that's off?
It has moved. It's shifted.